Guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I make my red oil, palm fruits oil moimoi. Yes, so my voice is this low because my children are sleeping. And again, any mistake I make in this video, I don't want to edit. I'm tired of editing. That was the reason I've not been posting for a while now. So guys, while you enjoy this video, I want to tell you something about some people. You don't advise you can advise an adult, but you don't command an adult to do something. You don't tell people how to react when they were hot or when they are hot. We react differently to things or to issues, or we treat issues or cases or whatever differently. So you don't know else, you don't command me. If you want to advise me, you can call me and advise me. You don't command me what to do, or when somebody got me angry and I react in my own way. If it's not okay by you, you can call me to advise me. You don't lash out on me. Yeah, you don't command me. You don't tell me what to do. You don't tell me to act mature with force in a disrespectful manner and also. So that is, there is a way you can politely correct me if really you think or you felt what I did wasn't right. Yeah, because everyone is entitled to their anger. I have right over my anger. But if you see maybe I overreacted and it is not fine by you, you can just advise me. You don't command me or tell me what to do. Yeah, that is my life. I thank God for who I am. I don't give a damn about what people say. Yeah, in most cases, there are some things that people say that really matters or you have to care. But in my own case, I don't care. I don't care, you care. I don't give a damn. I don't give a bullshit. About anything or whatever anyone say. I don't care. I live my life for myself. I don't need your advice. If you want to advise me, you can advise me politely. You can't be rude while advising me and you expect me to take that. I won't. You don't talk to me anyhow. Yeah, I don't take BS like I said, and you too don't take it from me. It's vice versa. I'm not selfish. I don't take shit from people. That's why I don't make friends. Yeah, I have people I talk to, but I don't make friends. Can you see? Because it doesn't even worth it. I talk to people. I have a lot of people that will talk, but I don't make friends. Yeah, so that is why if I got somewhat offended, yeah, and the person is angry or was angry with me, I will leave you to take your time. But if you choose to be angry and be mad at me for life, then that's your palaver. But for me, I don't force anybody. I can just try to make peace or apologize for my wrong deed, but I will never impose what I want you to do on you. So same thing go with me. If you want to advise me, you advise me. You don't talk to me anyhow. And what I do with my life is my life. So at this time of age, I've overgrown to care about what people say or about what people think about me. My life, I live for myself. My life, I live for my children. My life, I live for my family. So I don't need any interruption. So I do my things myself. I don't need anybody advice. So continue enjoying this video, guys. Sorry for the interruption. Yeah. So as you can see, I blended ginger, everything with some fish, red pepper, everything. I blended them together. So now I'm adding my oil. I use what's it called, folic paper, right? I don't remember the name. That's what I used to wrap my moimoi. Yeah, before I saw this booster online, this cellophane online. I'm supposed to order. So when I ordered it, then I think I'll try it next in my next video of making moimoi. So guys, enjoy this video.